Hey everybody, today I have something really special to talk about. It's called my HOT7 strategy. See, the thing is the HOT7 strategy is going to target people specifically who have been engaged in your brand within the last 7 days. Now, I'm going to teach two different types of middle of the funnel targeting. And essentially what that is the number one thing I've been teaching for a really long time is the step 2 warm market, where we're going to retarget everybody in the last 90 days who's in our ecosystem. Well, 90 days can tend to be a little long, and it can also cause that ecosystem number to be really big if someone watched a video, engaged with the post. What we do is we're going to narrow this down through what we call a HOT7 audience, meaning these people have been engaged with you within the last 7 days. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate this retargeting strategy with pretty much $1 a day. You're absolutely going to love this strategy, but I want to go ahead and get some terminology out of the way first. You see this tofu, mufu, bofu. No, it's not some weird kind of Asian food. What it basically is top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel. So many times us as entrepreneurs, online advertisers, what we do is we focus on how many clicks and leads can we get to the top of the funnel, meaning our websites, our landing page. The problem is we don't have a significant follow-up process in the middle of funnel, meaning they've already seen you once, what should they do next? Or specifically, bottom of funnel, meaning they have gone to your website, they've then opted in, gone to your sales page, and they haven't bought. It's critical that we focus on bottom of funnel and middle of funnel before we start focusing on top of funnel. Now, this strategy right here is going to help your middle of funnel in big ways. I was just having a conversation with a friend of mine this morning, and we were talking about how many entrepreneurs will build an email list, but then only have 5 or 10 emails for a follow-up. Then they don't know what to do next. This is going to be your digital perpetual follow-up system. This is literally where people are going to look at you and be like, okay, I saw your face once, but oh my goodness, you are everywhere. Now, when I say that you are everywhere, there's some really complicated retargeting to set up to make that happen. But not for you all. You don't have to do that at all. I'm going to make it super simple where anybody can get involved in $1 a day. I'm going to show you the trick. You're going to look over my shoulder. It's not even a trick. It's brilliant. Now, I will tell you this is not I've honed in on this strategy, but where I first heard this from was an individual by the name of Dennis Wu. Pretty brilliant works. He also has an agency. He speaks on stage, and I heard him talk about $1 a day strategy, and I'm like, I wonder what that is. And then I really started looking into it, put my own little twist on it a little bit, but it was absolutely just brilliant. So I always like to give some brilliance credit, of course, where it is due. If you don't know who Dennis Wu is, absolutely amazing individual. So let me show you how I've honed this in a little bit for our HOT7. Now, our HOT7 is essentially this. Every conceivable way that we can retarget someone in 7 days. I'm going to walk you through how to do that exactly in just a couple of moments. But this is the way my ad campaigns are laid out. Because what's going to happen essentially is as I have different videos running, well, a lot of these videos only have to run for literally $1 a day. Now people wonder, well, how can you only spend $1 a day? Because we're not looking to oversaturate the audience. See, what happens is we can go ahead and set up, for example, a video view for $1 a day, have it play to our HOT7 retargeting audience, and Facebook will find the perfect time to show that video, for example, to the right person in our HOT7 audience. So see, what's going to happen is we're going to set up all these retargeting audiences for 7 days. That's what I'm about to jump into. But the second thing is when we set this all up for $1 a day, which you're going to see in the second video, oh my goodness, Facebook knows exactly who to target, because even at $1 a day after 5 days, only $5, there are people who have watched entire 5-minute videos for less than 20 cents. It's amazing. Facebook finds the exact person at the exact right time. So like right now as I'm recording this video, we have over 40 posts that are running for $1 a day. That's it. But people say, oh my goodness, you're everywhere, but we're not oversaturating them. That's the amazing thing about this. Now, you're going to love this because what happens is when we set up these HOT7 retargeting, if someone watches a video, goes to your website, goes to bottom of funnel, mid funnel, top of funnel, doesn't matter, all of a sudden your content's going to appear everywhere. And by the way, this is great follow-up. So it could just be posts that you've posted on your fan page. This could be important videos you want people to see. But the HOT7 audience is going to be one of your hottest audiences to retarget to because they're going to see all your content. So this first part of the video, actually, we're already at the 5-minute mark. So I've explained the first part of it. Now what I'm going to do is I want you to move to the second video. In the second video, I'm going to show you how to set up the specific retargeting to make this happen. I'm going to record a third video to show you exactly how it's running in our ad account. So I hope you enjoyed this part of it. Stay tuned. Watch the next video on how to set it up.